Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Nasdaq price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And of course it is an urgent update here since of course our prediction has broken the levels. It has broken the levels. Now of course if we are in a double 1-2 here, 3, 4 and a 5, you are looking for still wave 2 toward the upside. But if this wave 2 is not an expanding flat, we have to be very careful from it. Meaning, if you are looking here at a wave B as an expanding flat, let me check, expanding flat, here we go. So this might be, of course, your scenario here, as well as an expanding flat. If we break those level, meaning 20K 100, meaning, of course, we are moving in a very bearish scenario, which I'm gonna tell you about it. Of course, we already mentioned it before, but it's unfolding very fast, okay? But we still have to be careful from the expanding flat of a wave 2 in an A B and a C before crashing the market again. Of course, we still have one blockade here. We still have one blockade to be careful from it, because of course you finished here as well double 1-2s as 1-2 1-2 and then 3 4 and a 5. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 for your wave 3, very normal count. 4 and 1 2 3 4 5 hitting perfectly the 1.618 and finishing away 5. Okay, so now we still have one more scenario, which is, let me clean up this. So let us take a clean look. So we have, of course, this scenario, and as you can see, the 1.05 has started to retrace. So we have to be careful from the ABC for the wave 2. It might take, of course, a little bit more time before moving toward the downside with a bigger scenario, guys. So we probably here looking at this ABC, and of course I'm gonna give the very bearish scenario in case we're moving toward the downside. Now this is your signal. If we move under the 20K 100, meaning there is no other possibilities in front of us, this is our last chance here for an expanding flat in a wave 2 before crashing. So of course we were still looking here at kind of an impulse. 1 2 3 4, your wave 4 didn't interfere with your zone 1, so it was a perfect impulse almost. 1 2, okay, this was your first scenario in case we're moving, or A B and a C in case we move for higher. Your final bridgehead here, I would say, or blockade. So you still have this expanding flat for a wave 2 as a test to pass it, and then moving toward the downside. Or if we pass the 1.38 20K 167, therefore it is a bearish market where we are crashing. But of course I always take the things step by step, guys, and that's why of course I refuse to change the analysis before we get very clear, because anyway, this is not the trade where you want to take it. Your trade is of course directly after the invalidation of this last scenario that I just gave in an A, B and a C. Of course this is your trade here taken until the 1.618. so of course no financial advice here, be careful, guys. Anyway, you have also invalidation for any kind of bullish scenario if you are in 1 2 3 4, your wave 4 interfering with the zone 1, therefore of course no bullish anymore. Of course it's a plus, but anyway it's gonna be given directly by breaking the 1.38 for a wave B in an expanding flat. If this if we see higher prices again, then of course you have to wait for your wave 2 and then moving in a 3 4 5. Otherwise, if we pass this last scenario that I just gave, therefore this is gonna be the following, guys. You have a 1 2 and then another 1 2 and now another 1 2 and then 3 4 5 toward the downside. However, lower possibility, because this looks like a very clean impulse with a big wave 3 in the middle here. But if the market psychology is going to crash, be careful. This is our last blockade, or last the last scenario where we still can move for higher in an ABC expanding flat. Under this 20k, then of course, yeah, we are crashing, guys. Very simple. Trade safe, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.